Today, we have an electrifying lineup for you. We're about to reveal the top 5 best electric scooters for 2024. These scooters are not just your average rides, they're game changers in the world of electric mobility. Let's dive right in. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. At number 5, we have the VSET 10 Plus. This scooter boasts an impressive combination of power, range, and technology. It's engineered for those who crave an exhilarating ride with advanced features. Known for its dual-motor setup, offering exceptional acceleration and a top speed of 40 miles per hour that will get your heart racing. With a long-range battery, range of up to 55 miles, you won't have to worry about frequent charging, and its adjustable suspension ensures a smooth and comfortable ride. But what really sets the VSET 10 Plus apart is its comfortable ride. The 11-inch pneumatic tires and adjustable suspension make this electric scooter smooth to ride, no matter what kind of terrain you're on. Plus, the front and rear lights keep you visible and safe on the road. VSET 10 Plus is a mid-range electric scooter that delivers great value for its price. Coming in at number 4 is the Turboant V8. This scooter is a true all-rounder, designed for both practicality and performance. It's perfect for daily commuting or weekend adventures. Its compact design makes it easy to carry around, but don't let its size fool you. It's still got a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour and a range of up to 15.5 miles. But what really impressed us about the Turboant V8 was its durability. Built to withstand the wear and tear of everyday use, making it a great choice if you're on a tight budget. The Turboant V8 features a robust build, foldable design, and impressive battery life. It's a commuter's dream, providing a safe and reliable way to navigate city streets or explore the outdoors. The Turboant V8 is all about convenience and versatility. At number 3, we have the Segway GT2. Segway, known for its innovation, has delivered another fantastic scooter that combines power, style, and smart features. With a top speed of 50 miles per hour and a range of up to 40 miles, it's perfect for any long-distance ride. But what really sets the Segway GT2 apart is its sleek design. The anti-glare TFT display is easy to read even in bright sunlight, and the flat-proof tubeless air-filled tires make for a smooth and comfortable ride. The GT2 is equipped with a powerful motor that offers rapid acceleration and a thrilling top speed. But what sets it apart are its smart features, including app connectivity and a display that provides essential information for your journey. The Segway GT2 is a blend of performance and cutting-edge technology. Landing at number 2 is the Highboy S2. This scooter may be compact, but it's big on fun and functionality. It's designed for those who need a reliable and stylish mode of transport. The Highboy S2 boasts a user-friendly design, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced riders. With a top speed of 18.6 miles per hour and a range of up to 17 miles, it's perfect for short trips around the city. But what really impressed us about the Highboy S2 was its portability. It's lightweight and can be easily folded up for storage or transport, making it a great choice for anyone on the go. It offers a comfortable ride, and with its sleek design and multiple riding modes, it's a fantastic choice for urban commuters and recreational riders alike. And finally, taking the top spot on our list is the Cabo Wolf King GT. With a top speed of 60 miles per hour and a range of up to 80 miles, it's the perfect electric scooter for anyone looking for the ultimate ride. The Wolf King GTR features dual motors that propel you to incredible speeds and conquer steep inclines with ease. Its massive battery capacity provides an extended range for those long rides. With off-road capabilities and rugged construction, the Cabo Wolf King GTR is in a league of its own. But what really sets the Cabo Wolf King GT apart is its power. With 6,000 W peak power, it's one of the most powerful electric scooters on the market. And with its cutting-edge features like dynamic traction control and hydraulic brakes, it's also one of the safest. There you have it, our top 5 best electric scooters for 2024. Each of these scooters brings its unique set of features and advantages to the table, catering to a wide range of riders and preferences. If you're as excited about the future of electric scooters as we are, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more thrilling tech showcases and mobility solutions.